Hey there! In today's video, I will walk you through how to change your background in Zoom. To change your background in Zoom, start by making sure you are already inside a Zoom call or meeting window. Look at the bottom left corner of the Zoom toolbar. Find the video button that starts or stops your camera. Next to the video button, you will see a small upward-facing arrow. Click this arrow to open the video options menu. From the menu, select the option labeled Choose Background. This will open the background panel where you can view and change your available backgrounds. In the background panel, you will see a gallery of background options. You can preview different backgrounds and switch between them. When you select a background, Zoom will apply it immediately so you can see how it appears. Okay. To use one of the preset backgrounds provided by Zoom, simply click on any background thumbnail in the gallery. The selected image will appear behind you right away. If you want to use your own image instead, go to the top right area of the background gallery and click the plus icon. From the options that appear, choose to add an image from your computer. Okay, browse through your files and select the image you want to use. After uploading the image, it'll appear alongside the other available backgrounds in the gallery. Click the uploaded image to select it. Once selected, your new background will be applied and displayed during the meeting. If you want to change the background again, use the same steps. Click the arrow next to the video button, choose background, and select another preset or uploaded image. You can switch between different backgrounds whenever you need to by selecting a new option from the background panel. Thank you for watching.